Yeah, that's a great idea, bro. I never think of stuff like that. It's stupid. Think we can get down over here on the left?
Yeah.
Big fish, big fish. Yeah. I think. I mean, he went off like a rocket, but.
Seems like a big fish move.
Ooh. I can't tell. Yeah, it is. Yeah. If you don't mind, bro. I might be able to get him. He's heavy. It's a big fish. He's running your way anyway, so. He's coming to you, bro. Can you see him? Oh.
Take your time.
Bend in that four-way, bro.
That's definitely a nicer fish.
Yeah. Oh, he smashed it, bro.
Oh. Kind of seems like a rainbow.
It does. It's way more active than
Yeah, that's rainbows do that, dude.
really good fight, honestly. Hold.
Oh yeah.
If I can get his head up, I'm gonna try and. I think it's a brown, bro. Hold on. He's coming up, but I'm not sure. I think I can get him up right here, Matt. Yeah.
Not moving.
Yeah, yeah. He might go again, though. Yeah, it is. It is, bro.
Don't go any further down.
What's up?
Just try to stay where you're at.
Okay. He's not even close to ready, Matt.
Yeah. Don't let him walk you down like that.
Don't?
No. Yeah, bring him to you. Reel when you can.
I'm trying, bro. He's really strong. What's up?
I see him peeking up.
I know.
Brownie. Nice brownie.
What,
Oh my god.
what do we got, Matt?
Dude, a pig. Big male.
Let's go. Let's
Look
go.
at that fish.
Yes, Matt.
That's what we came here for. Look at that.
That's what we came here for, bro. That's butter. Good? Matty Cat is hooking up against all odds. How's he feel? Looks pretty good.
Oh, my rod's iced.
Yep, be careful, dude. If he starts making a run, you gotta walk with him if your reel's not gonna go. The Lil J, dude. Sucks a little bit, but if you think you can get his head up, just tell me. If I'm not gonna get too close until you think you can get him up.
I'm taking my time. Just
Yeah, 100%.
He's fighting the same way.
I didn't have to really. My fish never ran, so.
I think he's starting to give up.
Let's go, Matt, dude. That take looked a little like trickier. Like he kind of just got it.
Subtle.
Yeah, more subtly. Yeah.
I didn't realize it.
Yeah. You looked a little surprised. I saw your rod tip go. I was like, let's go. We love it, bro.
Love to see it.
Have the intuition to set the hook, get paid off.
Oh, he took the bottom.
Did he?
Took the caddis.
On them hard shell, caddis. Doritos Loco, caddis. Nacho cheese, caddis fly.
He's coming your way.
Some nets frozen. There we go.
There's gotta be fish stacked in there.
Yeah, this is a good spot, bro. But we might. Oh, careful. There you go. Yeah, I think maybe this would be a good time after this. Go to the other spot. Oh, it's a brownie, and it's a beautiful one. I think.
Yeah, it's a brownie.
It's got pink all over it, like a Penns Creek brownie, bro. It's pretty as. Keeping that side pressure, I like it.
My leader's right here. He's coming.
Okay. If you think you can keep his head up, I'm gonna snoop in, but
He's almost done. You'll see the stone fly. I'll tell you when.
yeah, I'm watching for the stonefly. Just want to stay away so he doesn't see me so much. Yeah. Ooh, walk back, walk back. Keep walking back.
There he comes.
Can you keep his head up?
He hears you.
Yeah, I know. Just keep walking with him.
I'm sliding to you. Ready?
Keep him up, get him up.
He hears you.
Yeah. He's good, all right. There you go. Keep him up, keep him up. There we go. Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Beautiful brown. Look at the pink on him. Sorry for nerding out super hard, but wow. Bro. Tons of red spots, dude.
We both got a fish in the bag.
Yeah, let's go.
Very quickly.
That's fine. The caddis, the Matty Caddis special release. Yeah. Good shit.
Let's go!
Yeah. Got another. My reel's frozen, dog. If this guy goes, I'm chasing him, bro. My reel's full on frozen. Madness.
Crazy, dude.
This is another nice fish, bro. Yo, what the? Brought my fly line into my, I might be able to bring him to you right now, bro.
It's another brownie.
Yeah.
Take your time.
I am. This guy's like not really fighting super hard. I might be able to bring him to you right now. You got him? You got him. Go for it.
Small ones are colored in here, dude.
Wow. Oh wow, he's beautiful.
Yeah, he's gorgeous, man. Sweet. Oh, fuzz out.
Let's go. I'm gonna go for this first. Beautiful Lil J brownie. Very cool. Look at how pretty that fish is, bro. Sweet. Thank you, dude. There we go. Yeah. On the swing, bro. I want him to be able to pull drag. It's not a... Ooh, it's a brown. Yeah, I guess they go both. My reel's freezing up a little bit. It's frozen right now. Like if he goes for a run, it could be scary. Ah, let's go! Let's go!
That might be the same fish.
Right? Could be. There we go, baby. Yeah, baby.
Yeah,
let's go.
Thanks for playing.
There we go, bro. Good.
Yeah, dude, that is piling up quick.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
We did good anyway.